Hi everyone, signing with Nicole. Today I'm going to be doing same sign, different words, different meaning. First, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Click on the heart and the thumbs up. Let's get started. Yellow is the letter Y, hand shape. Yellow. Yellow. Play. Play. Party. Party. Or it can be used with the P. Party. Yellow. Play. They're opposite. Play. Party. Party. Name. It's the H hand shape. Name. Name. Mention. Mention. Train. Train. Chair. Chair. Or sit. Chair. Last one. Shy. Shy. That is not shy. That's W-H-O-R-E. Please don't call someone that. Let's review. I like that color. Is it yellow? Oh, I want to play. We're going to the party. What's your name? Oh, he did mention that in the meeting. Train. I'm going on the train. Sit down. There's the chair. I'm a little shy. Oh, did you hear about her? I heard she's a... That's all for now. Bye.